With Bitcoin falling down to $53,700 this morning, a lot of people are getting nervous and a lot of people are showing fear. We're going to be going over some of those statistics in this video, but we're also going to be talking about this article here that says we've got analysts calling for Bitcoin back down below $50,000 per coin. Now, one of the things that I see happen is that when analysts say something, people begin to believe it, whether or not it's true. And if enough people perpetuate that idea, it's going to push Bitcoin down below $50,000 per coin. And it may have otherwise never reached that level. Let's talk about it in this video. And of course, we're going to be going over the Pepe Unchained presale as well, because these guys have 22 hours until the next price increase, and they have already raised $12.2 million. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we got Pepe Unchained on the screen right now. $12.2 million in sales, and yeah, it's not just little by little. We've got some people racking up 23 Ethereum at a time, a $53,000 purchase. We'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. We're going to talk about the demand and why people are buying Pepe Unchained. But first, let's go over the overall market, and that's indicated by Bitcoin here. It says that crypto market sentiment has dropped to a one-month low as analysts warn of a potential Bitcoin price correction below $50,000 as soon as this weekend. Now, it's very interesting to me when they call it a correction, right? I don't think Bitcoin needs to correct to the downside. I don't think that it's overbought. I don't think that it's too high for where it should be right now. So the correction is probably just a synonym for pullback in this article here. Correction is probably not the correct term. Crypto traders' sentiment drops to extreme fear. The Crypto Fear Degree Index, a multifactorial measure of the crypto market sentiment, fell to a one-month low of 22 last week, or last seen at the beginning of August. The index fell to 17 back when Bitcoin fell to $49,000, shared analyst CryptoQuant and author Axel Adler in a September 6th post. Now, I don't exactly know which, fear degree index they're using here, but if we take a look at CoinStats Fear Degree Index, you can see that, yes, we are at a level of 22 extreme fear right now. Guys, I don't think investors should be as fearful as they are. We've been sitting on 29 fear, 22 extreme fear right now, and it is currently ticking to the downside. Now, with all of the positive catalysts out there, I don't think that it's necessary to be as fearful as retail investors are, but they are. It says Bitcoin is heavy. I'm gunning for sub 50K this weekend. I took a cheeky short position, right from my soul, for I am a degenerate. This isn't necessarily an analyst that is coming up with this. This seems more like a gambler who is coming up with this, especially if they're shorting Bitcoin. September Bitcoin price dip in line with halving cycle. Now, September has historically been a month of downside volatility with average Bitcoin returns at negative 4.69%, making it the most bearish month based on average returns according to CoinGlass data. Thus, the current correction remains in line with previous Bitcoin halving bull cycles, wrote crypto analyst Rect Capital in a September 6th post. This could bring more short-term downward pressure out of the analyst, sharing the chart below. And zooming out, this correction, I'm going to put that in quotes there, could precede a breakout due to an emerging cup and handle pattern, a bullish price setup that signals the extension of an uptrend. This bullish pattern was shared by popular crypto traders Max in a September 5th X post. Excellent. So we do have a very long-term dip going back to 2021, bringing us up here, and a tiny little downward trend that we are currently in. The overall market is extremely strong right now, guys, but the overall market is being dictated and dominated by institutional investors. How do I know? Because retail interest just isn't here right now. When retail investors do return, for whatever reason they return, you better believe that Bitcoin is going to rise, and you better believe that Pepe Unchained is going to rise. Now, Pepe Unchained is, of course, has more potential to increase during a retail rally, and that's because it's focused on meme coins. It is the future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course memes. So if you guys are interested in buying, all you gotta do is click that link in the description below or the pinned comment, and then I'm gonna use Wallet Connect and scan this QR code with my Trust Wallet. You guys can do it however you want. And then from there, you determine how much you want to buy. You know what? What was this buy right here? 23 Ethereum. If you guys want to come out and grab 23 Ethereum worth, you're going to be walking away with 5,440,489 Pepe Unchained. Price predictions for Pepe Unchained put it at a 10x increase on the low side by the end of the year. Now, I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but I do know that when retail investors return to the market and they're in search of meme coins, if Pepe Unchained is truly positioning itself as the future of memes, a layer 2 blockchain built for memes, it could absolutely rocket higher in value based on that information. And everybody who is willing to go out and stack up, like this guy right here who bought 23 Ethereum worth. Everybody who is going and willing to go out and contribute to this demand, $12.2 million worth. When retail investors return, and when fear subsides and returns to greed, prices are going to rip higher. The only thing you have to ask yourself, will you be here for it? Now, it's evident that a lot of people are giving up. It's evident that the fear and the emotion is dictating their decisions. They're leaving the crypto space. They're uninterested. If you simply make it through, you're going to see major gains in Bitcoin, sure, but especially in tiny little tokens like Pepe Unchained. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.